Hi guys, I am a participant of Febina Online Cooking Contest Season 2. My name is Darshani and I am from Chennai. Now I am going to do bread gulab jamun. It is a easy recipe. It will take for doing gulab jamun 3 hours. For this bread gulab jamun, it will take only half an to 1 hour. Now we can see the ingredients. Now we want slices of breads. Now we want sugar. Now we want oil. Now we want milk. Start. Now the step is we should cut this sides of the bread. The sides of the breads we should cut and we should make crumbs of the breads. I will do and show. Start. Now we are going to cut the bread slices. Like this we should cut the bread slices. After cutting the bread slices, now we are going to crumble the breads. Now we are going to crumble the breads. Start. Now gradually we are going to add milk and we can mix it well. We should make a dough like this. Start. Now we can rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. After resting 15 minutes, we can make ball like this. There should be no crack in the ball. We can do the ball like this. Now our balls are ready. I got 19 balls. Now we can fry these balls. Now I am going to heat the oil. Now I am going to pour the oil. Now we are putting the gulab jamuns. Now we can fry this gulab jamuns. We should not do very hard. Gulab jamun is very soft, so we should do like this. After 2 minutes, in sim flame, we should keep this gulab jamuns. There else it will be it will give a bitter taste. So it should be in sim. Now our gulab jamuns are ready. Now we can take this. Now our third batch of gulab jamun is ready. We already fried gulab jamun that I will show you. This is the already fried gulab jamuns. It is very sweet because I have used the milk bread. Milk bread is very sweet, so the gulab jam we not need to add sugar because of the milk bread. So you can use milk bread for this gulab jam. Now we can see it. Yeah, it is frying like. Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice to see. We can take when it is golden brown. Yeah, you can see the color is changing now. Now our gulab jamun is ready. Now we can take this. Now our gulab jamuns are ready. Now we can do the sugar syrup. We are going to do the sugar syrup. For this sugar syrup, I am going to add half cup. For the sugar, I am going to add half cup of water. Now we can mix it well. Now our jeera is ready. Now we can put the balls, jamun balls in this jeera. Now we can put the jamun balls in jeera. That's all. The recipe is over. We can mix it well and we can eat it. So the recipe is over. Thank you, Febina and Rajasthani. Now our gulab jamun is very soft. See this gulab jamun, it is cutting easily. Thank you, Febina and Rajasthani.